That's what I'm using right here. Little jig head mullet, Berkeley gulp shrimp, spider weight, breakaway rig. Surfside Beach. Got some down south lures, some top waters. Fixing to come out here and see if I can catch me some shark bait for later. All right, man, let's see if I can get a fish on this lure, man. I don't know the name of this thing because I got it at the fishing show. Fisher dog. Uh-oh, there you go. Scaring my fish away. There you go, scaring my fish away. Finally got one on the downside. I got my first trout on the downside. Damn, that's a big old, not even, there's no speckle on that bad boy. Wow. Is that a big sand trout? Man. Okay, let me get you guys here. I'll take a look here. I don't think he's big enough to keep. Let you live, Bubba. Get out of here. Let my first one live, man. Wow, dude, that's cool, man. Finally got one on this bad boy. Yeah, look at that downside lure. Got some baby finger mullet. There it goes. The breakaway. Let's go. Cast this sumbitch out. Little bugs lure right here. Throw this little thing, see if I can throw these, see what happens, get something. Yeah. My dang lure got stuck on the dock across the canal. There it is right there. All right, it's my last day here. I'm at San Luis Pass, Bayside. Just do some wade fishing. Hopefully I can pull off a Jeremy Wade and get some on the last day here. It seems like I got that skunk smell on me.